to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Today, we're diving deep into the world of firefighting systems, the unsung heroes in the battle against flames. Specifically, we'll explore the cutting-edge technology behind fire suppression vehicles and their powerful hoses. These firefighting machines are at the forefront of fire control, with advanced features like high-pressure hoses, precision nozzles, and rapid response capabilities. They are strategically designed to combat fires effectively, from towering infernos to urban blazes. Join us as we uncover the remarkable innovations that make these firefighting systems an integral part of modern firefighting, ensuring the safety of both firefighters and the communities they serve. Let's delve into the meticulous art of sod harvesting with the Brewer Kesmac 4000-R at the forefront. This essential process involves the careful removal of grass and soil, primarily used for landscaping and turfing projects. The Brewer Kesmac 4000-R streamlines this once labor-intensive task with precision and efficiency. By delicately handing sod and optimizing the harvesting process, modern techniques ensure minimal waste and a more sustainable approach to landscaping. Our focus is on the intricate construction of airport roadways, where the Gomaco GP4 takes center stage. These road systems are the lifelines of airports, facilitating safe and efficient travel for aircraft and vehicles. The Gomaco GP4 plays a pivotal role in this process by meticulously pouring and grading concrete, creating smooth and durable surfaces that can withstand heavy traffic and extreme weather conditions. From runways to taxiways, we're exploring the engineering marvels that underpin airport infrastructure. Have you had experience with the Gomaco GP4 or any similar technology? Share your insights in the comments below. Join us as we delve into the realm of liquid manure management, focusing on the innovative Lagoon Crawler 2018. In the world of agriculture, responsible waste management is crucial, and this machine contributes to sustainable practices. By effectively separating solid components from liquid manure, the Lagoon Crawler 2018 promotes soil health and prevents water contamination. The mechanics of this process emphasize its importance to modern farming practices and environmental care. Let's shift our attention to the unsung heroes of industrial spaces, industrial flooring solutions. These floors are the foundation of factories, warehouses, and manufacturing plants, enduring the weight of heavy machinery, constant foot traffic, and the demands of various industries. From reinforced concrete to specialized coatings, these floors are engineered to withstand the rigors of daily operations while ensuring safety, durability, and longevity. Share your thoughts and experiences related to industrial flooring in the comments. We're all ears and eager to learn from your insights. Join us as we take to the skies to combat wildfires with the N15LA Sikorsky S-70A Firehawk and the Chinook CH-47. These helicopters redefine firefighting, delivering water and fire-retardant substances to contain flames from above. From precision drops to strategic coordination, We're exploring how these aerial firefighting operations are a vital component in preventing and managing wildfires. Let's take a closer look at this complex process of forging railroad axles, the unsung heroes of railroading. These components play a pivotal role in the safe and smooth operation of trains, ensuring stability and durability on the tracks. From the controlled application of heat to the precision shaping of metal, we're uncovering the craftsmanship and engineering that go into creating these critical elements of railway infrastructure. We're uncovering the craftsmanship and engineering that go into creating these critical elements of rail infrastructure. Stay engaged by subscribing to our channel and joining the conversation in the comments. Join the windmill installation journey with the impressive Enercon E-126. Wind energy is a cornerstone of sustainability, and the installation process requires careful planning and technological prowess. From selecting optimal locations for maximum efficiency to erecting towering structures, we're delving into the intricacies of harnessing wind power for clean and renewable energy generation. Let's look at the scope of silage production with the Fendt Katana 650. Silage, recognized as one of the most important sources of livestock feed, provides optimum nutritional value through efficient chopping. The focus is on the Fendt Katana 650, a symbol of precision and power that skillfully transforms grain into nutritious forage. The process is a strategic timing choice for optimum chopping, and silage plays an important role in the development of sustainable agriculture. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!